You're tired of the same old banking, right? Endless queues, confusing fees, and a website that looks like it was designed in the 90s. You're looking for something different, something that actually works for you and your business. Enter Qonto. But is it really the game changer it claims to be? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another bank? Seriously? But hear me out. Qonto isn't your average bank. It's a digital-first financial platform designed specifically for businesses. It promises to streamline your finances, save you time, and even help you grow. But does it deliver? Let's talk features. Qonto offers a range of accounts to suit different business sizes, from the solopreneur to the scaling startup. We're talking about multiple currencies, expense management tools, invoicing, and even integrations with accounting software. It's like a financial Swiss Army knife. But features are one thing, user experience is another. Is Qonto actually easy to use? Is the app intuitive? Can you manage your finances on the go without pulling your hair out? These are the real questions. Then there's the cost. Is Qonto worth it? How do its fees compare to traditional banks? And what about customer support? Can you actually get help when you need it? We're going to answer all these questions and more in this video. We'll break down Qonto's pros and cons, share real user experiences, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. So, if you're ready to ditch the traditional bank and explore a new way of managing your finances, stick around. We've got a lot to cover. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.